Welcome to my MagicPods AI Review and Bonuses video. Now in this video we're going to be talking about a brand new software that's going to allow you to take any content you have and turn it into scroll-stopping podcast videos instantly. You can convert blogs, articles, scripts, or even just ideas into dynamic two-host video podcasts complete with voices, visuals, and captions. All automatic, all yours in seconds. Now before we continue on, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kurt Tashi. I do product review videos. I also do videos about entrepreneurship, making money online, inspiration, motivation, and personal development. So if that's something you're into, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also make sure you hit that bell notification icon so you're always notified every time I release a new video. Also, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor, give it a like and a share, and comment down below with any questions you have about making money online. And what I'll do is I'll take that and I'll create a personalized video answering that question just for you. And if at any time during this video you want to check out MagicPods AI for yourself, just click the link in the description. That's going to take you to my special bonus page. You can see all the bonuses that I'm offering. And from there you can actually see a demo of the product and access the product right from that page. And one more thing, before we continue on, for only 5 people, for the first 5 people, I have what we're calling golden keys or golden access keys, VIP access to MagicPods AI before the product launches. So you can get full access up until the time the product launches to try it for yourself and then make a decision to pick this up for yourself. Alright, so let's continue on. So, as it says, create any content into scroll-stopping podcast videos instantly. And you can click the link down below and check this and come to this page and check out yourself. You can watch the sales video here. Create pro-level podcast videos with AI, no studio, no tech hassle. So AI podcast scriptwriter, AI host and voices, social scheduling, auto subtitles and captions, ready-made visual styles, one-click B-rolls and sound effects. Get full commercial license with this, okay? Works on all your favorite tools and platforms, newsletters, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that. Here's examples of some of the visuals that you can use. These are fantastic. So 3 steps. Step 1, input any content, whether that be a topic, a URL, a PDF, or a full script. Now, what I like about this is that I was attempting to create I was working on a podcast for myself, where I would take my blog content, because my blog at kurttashi.com has over 10,000 plus posts on it that I've done throughout the years. So I was taking the content, copying and pasting manually into another software, creating the voiceover, and uploading it to Spotify. Well, that took a long time. Every day was taking a long time. So with this, what I could do is, you could do is just type in your URL, let the software do the work. What about all the PLR you might have on your hard drive that's collecting dust? Upload a PLR PDF, let the software do the work, create a podcast for you. Okay? Or again, topic, script, whatever you want to do, the software does all the work. Step 2, choose your host and style. So you choose from all the different hosts they have to offer. Choose your background style, and create a video with either short, medium, long, or what they call ludicrous length, which is probably, I'm assuming that's going to be like a several hours podcast. And then step 3, export, post, and go viral. So you can download it and upload it to your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook, wherever. And again, full commercial license with this product, okay? And here's some examples of how you can use it. So you can enter a topic and create an engaging debate-style podcast. You can put in your blog post and create a viral 2-host podcast episode, and upload a PDF, create binge-worthy podcast shorts. Okay, all these things you can do with it, and just use your imagination. There's no limit to what you can do with this, really. Here's some examples that you can listen to. Okay. You can click the link down below and access those examples. 90 plus languages, okay? It's multilingual, multi-platform, multi-income. Auto-translate your podcast for global reach, which is fantastic, okay? Because, honestly, why would you want, like, I'm a native English speaker, so why would I want to limit my audience to just English speakers, okay? You can use this and gain a global audience instead of just a regional audience. Alright, and I'm going to finish going through here as testimonials and more examples here. Okay, some stats about podcasts right here. Our global podcast listeners went from 383 million in 2020 to 584.1 million in 2025. U.S. podcast listeners has increased dramatically. So has the podcast market size, and ad revenue for podcasts has gone from over $4 billion in 2024 and expected to reach $12 billion by 2030. Okay? You can turn your podcast listeners into loyal buyers. So the more content you can put out there, the more loyal your audience is going to become. Okay, more engaging they're going to be. So these are the examples of podcasts. Your well-known podcasts, your Joe Rogan, okay, Daily, all these different podcasts. Very successful podcasts. It tells you that podcasts are what's something you want to do. I don't care if you have a small audience or a large audience. You need to be doing podcasts, okay? And this is going to help cut right through all the bullshit, so you can actually do it a lot easier, a lot faster. So, how does MagicPods AI help creators win big? Less time spent, bigger results. Podcasting made effortless. So, you can save over 10 hours a week. You can increase your engagement by about 50% and increase your earnings by 99%. So the less time you spend in front of your computer creating your podcast, the more time you have to actually engage your audience, okay, and let your audience see what you have. Okay. And podcast videos are very popular. They steal attention. You can steal attention and get seen and heard everywhere. While your audience, fans, leads, and clients tune in, while your audience, fans, leads, and clients tune in and share. Skip the tech headache. Just click and publish pro-level podcasts. 2025's top creators use AI podcasts. Be first or get left behind. So, if you think the AI podcasts are just something silly for lazy people, you're wrong. It's for smart people. Smart people who want to actually get ahead. Here's how AI podcasts stack up against old school production. So, in-house teams slowed down by limited skills and bandwidth. Costs skyrocket as you grow. For agencies, top-tier quality but expensive and slow, not built for daily content hustle. Freelancers, some flexibility but results vary, can be unreliable or tough to scale up. DIY tools, saves a little time but lacks creative power for real growth or reach. With MagicPods, okay, look at this. One-click pro-level podcast videos with AI voices, styles, captions, and more ready in minutes, not weeks. All right. So to get honestly, speed, flexibility, quality, scalability, and cost effectiveness are all better with MagicPods AI. Here's some success stories from creators or testimonials. So what you're going to be getting right now. This is actually going to be the regular price is $197. Okay, according to the page. Now the product is launching at a $47 price. So let's go ahead and let's show you the actual chart here of the and you can actually access this chart from my bonus page. The starting price is going to be $47 one-time price. You're going to get a 10% off coupon. That's going to give you 10% off. Okay. The regular price is going to be $197. So you want to get in on the launch and get that discounted price. And also keep in mind that my bonuses are going to expire when the product closes out. So. And at my bonus page, you're going to see that the product is going to end. Launch ends on the 25th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so make sure that you get access to this during the launch phase. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the OTOs. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead. We're going to go in and do a kind of a walkthrough of the software, a tour of the software. You'll actually be able to see me log in for the first time. Now, I know this video is going to get kind of long. But if you want to really just kind of speed through it and just go access the demo right now, just click the link down below in the description, go to my bonus page, and you can access that demo and check that out for yourself there. And again, remember, if you're one of 5 people that comment first, comment down below with golden key, and I'll get you a full access key that you can use to get full access until the product launches. All right, so OTO number 1. Let me go and refresh. There we go. OTO number 1, you're going to unlock unlimited podcast channels, longer episodes, and full complete automation. So, obviously, with the front end product, you're going to have some limits. Okay, this is going to give you unlimited channels, longer episodes, and full complete automation. And you can check this all out as you go through the sales process, through the funnel process. And the price of this OTO, and I have all the prices on my bonus page you can check out. So OTO number 1, the unlimited version, is $127. Unlimited projects, extend the length, 50 plus AI advertising voices, unthrottled rendering, viral topic miner, and YouTube autoclone with 0 caps, multi-platform publishing. Okay. So next OTO number 2, is the Pro version. Unleash pro-level podcast and video power. So this is your one-time opportunity to unlock premium features others will pay monthly for after this launch. So all these premium features you're going to get, okay, smart video thumbnail and poster creator, persona styler, Hollywood grade AI voices, all this with the Pro version. And that Pro version is launching at $67 one time. So again, $47 for the OTO with a 10% off coupon. Unlimited version, $127 one time for unlimited use. The Pro version, $67 one time. Next, we have the Studio version. Okay, MagicPods AI Studio. Dominate your market with studio-level AI editing tools that give you an unfair advantage over 99% of creators. So you're going to get full access to their AI Studio tools. Okay, all this, and make sure you go and read through this as you go through the sales process, so you make a decision on whether you want to get it or not. Studio was $97 one time. And again, AI video resizer, rotator mirror, converter, AI object eraser, background remover, AI image enhancer, and 4K upscaler. Okay. Finally, the final OTO is the agency license, agency access. Exponentially explode your income with a real agency as clients consistently throw money at you for viral podcast clips. So basically, you can create your own agency and do this as a service, a full service to others. Okay, a full white label agency access. And again, you can go through this yourself and read all the details. Those who were into creating products, white label is a very fast and easy way to do this. And you're going to get this all for $197 to $297 one time. It's tier based, so you resell licenses, resell between 50 to 250 license tiers with a reseller dashboard. White level client portal and agency branding, manage sub-users, done for you agency website, proposals, contracts, pitch decks, and ad creatives and email sequences, support and maintenance handled by the MagicPods team, priority support. Okay? Now, let's go and turn off these, close these out. Now, that's all great. Okay, so what if you wanted to get everything but didn't want to go through the whole funnel? Well, there is agency or bundle. There's a bundle access bundle deal going on right now, and there's 2 options for the bundle. Okay. Now, the actual bundle deal is you can get MagicPods AI bundle offer and get all the OTOs, features, and bonuses for a 70% discount, one-time price. Okay, so you're going to save 70% over the whole funnel by getting the bundle right now. So you're going to get, it's starting at $697 one time. You get a $200 off coupon, includes all the OTOs at a steep discount. There's also, when you pick up the bundle, there's also going to be a cart bump, an order bump. We can actually enhance your purchase from $127 additional. Okay, so you can check that out and make that decision on your own for that. So again, real quick, just going through the actual prices here. So $47 one time for the front end, 10% off coupon that you can use. OTO 1, $127. OTO 2, $67. OTO 3, $97. OTO 4, Between 197 and 297, you'll get all the details about that as you go through the process. And then there's a bundle deal. Full bundle at $697 with a $200 off coupon, and an optional order bump for $127 to enhance your bundle purchase. Right? So now let's go ahead and log into the software. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my login page. And go ahead and log in. Okay, so here we're logged in. And this is the first time I logged in. Okay, so when you log in, you're gonna come to the welcome page here. And actually, you know what? Let's do this. This video's gotten pretty long, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video. Okay, I'm gonna create a second video with the product walkthrough, and I'll have the link to that video in the description so you can check that, so you can actually access it. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna first go ahead and just stop this video here. I'm actually gonna log out right now of the software, and then what I'll do is we're gonna go ahead and actually stop this video, and I'm going to start a brand new video where we talk about the product access, or we actually go through the products you actually see for yourself. So with that, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.